YouTube! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So today I have a Trick or Treat Studios order that I put in freaking months ago, probably at the beginning of the year, that was on a clearance sale, and I'm just getting this box now. I don't even know what the hell I ordered. So let's open it up and see what I got. Alright. Thank you, Gladys. You're such a good helper. Alright, peoples. So you guys know that eventually I want to make some masks. So I figure, what's a better way to make masks than study masks? So Trick or Treat Studios had this big sale. I don't even know, maybe there'll be an invoice inside. And Brother Dave at the Weird Kids Show said, man guys, look at this sale that Trick or Treat Studios is having. They're having a bunch of clearance masks and all that stuff, and there was some Distortions stuff in there, which I actually grabbed a Distortions mask. So I thought, man, I'm going to grab some of these masks, and we'll study them and see what's going on with them. So boy, right out of the box, check this out. Halloween. Get 10% off. Use code TRICKORTREAT10. So if you guys can use code TRICKORTREAT10, pop it in, and so you can get you 10% off your next order. And it doesn't seem like there's an expiration date either, so hey, 10% off Trick or Treat Studios. Use mine. Use TRICKORTREAT10, all caps. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Hang on to that, Gladys. Thank you, girl. Such a good helper. Alright. Oh yeah, okay, now I'm remembering. Let's see. Well, that's not good. Okay. Out of the box, look at this big boy. Man, check him out. And there is no invoice in here, is there? Okay, so there's no invoice. I have no idea when the hell I ordered these, but it was many months ago. Well, they put the big boy right on top. Check him out. Well, you got some static cling going on there. Look at that. That is gnarly, man. So this is Trick or Treat Studios Albino Ghoul. I thought that was actually pretty cool. He looked great online. He's a latex mask, whole head mask, got a little slit up the back with a little punch so that doesn't want to rip and tear. He's got some black stitches. I could easily make those kind of a maybe silver, or maybe even rust them. But man, the eyes are nice and glossy. He's pretty damn cool, man. I kind of dig him. He's got the yellow teeth that I love. But man, I could put this in foam fillet, or man, even wear it. Looks like he's got breathing holes in his nose, and you can see through the top of his eyes. So this is a Trick or Treat Studios Albino Ghoul. Man, let's see if we can't put this bad boy on. Take a look at him. Okay, YouTubes, got the Albino Ghoul on. A little bit hard to see out of. You're definitely going to need some more breathing room down here, because I can already feel my head swell up and get hot. How you doing? What's up? It catches on the shoulders a little bit, but you could easily trim this. And looks like it just needs a little bit more room to breathe up in the front. But for the price I paid, this whole box was like $70-something. So for a whole head mask, I can't complain. I think it's pretty awesome. Alright, you guys play nice. Alright, we're back in the box again. Okay, so this is another Trick or Treat Studios face mask. And this is a mini mask. But I thought this would be cool for a little man. And I think these are like $6 or $7. Like, they were a total freaking steal. Again, it's latex. Got a nice little gnarly zombie face. So it's like you totally couldn't beat that. And I wish they had put a damn invoice in there so I could tell when the hell I ordered this. I think it was back in like February sometime. They were all clearance masks. So it's got a little elastic strap in the back. Thin latex, which is fine because it's just sort of a small half mask and a mini mask at that. But I thought this would be kind of cool to put on little man since he's already a zombie. But he wears a zombie mask, so I thought, oh, that'd be pretty funny. So overall, not bad. I kind of dig the sculpt, a little bit of blood. But for $7, I don't think you can beat that. So hang on to that for me, Gladys. You're such a good girl. All right, we got another half mask. Again, a $6 or $7 mask. This one's kind of smashed. We'll have to put him on a little head form and stretch him out. And this guy was called Pickled. So he's kind of a gnarly zombie face, got a little butt chin on him. He's gonna need some stretching out and some heating up, but again, pretty cool for $6 or $7. Man, you could cut this off and put it on a plaque. You could put it on the face of a book if you're gonna make like a Book of the Dead or something like that. Thin latex, which is fine for what it is. It just needs a little bit of shaping, so I gotta pop this up on a head form or something like that to punch that back out, get that chin out there where it's gotta go. But for $6 or $7, man, I don't think you can beat that. That's kind of a hell of a deal. And again, an elastic strap on the back, so not too bad for Trick or Treat Studios. And I love the one eye. I think that's super cool. It kind of looks like Eddie from Iron Maiden. Pretty tough. All right, so we got 1, 2, and finally our last mask. Like I said, I don't have a bunch of masks at all, but I wanted to study some, and I figure if we're going to study a mask, why not get a Distortions mask? So when I was creeping around the Trick or Treat Studios website, they had a Distortions mask on sale, and I thought, oh man, that's so freaking cool. Since my only piece is really my big dragon, that's the only Distortions piece I own. I saw the Scarecrow, and I thought, oh man, how cool is this freaking guy gonna be? So he's a whole head mask. Man, just look at that face, man. That is so freaking cool. That is just sharp, man. I can do so much of this. I can put it on a head form. I can make an actual scarecrow out of it. Again, it's just a Distortions mask. Picture my trick or treat. Let's see if this guy got a name on him. Warning, care instructions. Oh, how cool is that? They had care instructions. Never scrub or submerge your mask in water. Okay, I won't do that. But yeah, I thought this guy was super cool, man. Let's put this guy on and see what he looks like. Moving up in the world, people. We're getting Distortions. Now he's a little big on my head, so if I wiggle, my nose is going to pop out of his eye socket. So you got to pad your head a little bit, and I got to say probably a medium-sized head. But the breathing's a lot better in this mask. Again, if I had either like a head sock on or a little bit of padding on top to kind of lock this guy down, he'd be great. I got nice clearance in the shoulders. I got good vision. I got good breathing. Just needs a little pad on top of my head is all it is. Like easily glue a piece of EVA foam in here to kind of pack it up or whatever. But man, I mean, I got great vision in this thing. I think it's freaking awesome, man. If I just blacked out my eyes, it'd be totally cool. So, Distortions. Can't beat that. Okay, Haunt fam, so that's my little unboxing from Trick or Treat Studios. Man, overall, I'm ecstatic, man. I mean, this whole box cost me like $72, $77. I don't know because I don't have my invoice anymore. But I love the Distortions mask. Great breathing. It's cool to have another Distortions product. You know, I'm kind of getting used to this whole Distortions ownership thing. I love the other masks. I mean, the ghoul is super cool. The little half masks are awesome for $6 or $7. It's like, man, you know, this is a great start to have me some kind of reference to look at when I just start to sculpt bigger things and get into masks and stuff. So if you guys haven't had a chance, go check out my brothers in a Trio of Terror. Go see Vic over at Monster Misfits and Dave at the Weird Kid Show, guys. We're doing like non-stop videos, man. We do Halloween year-round. We're really excited. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. I mean, Halloween's creeping on us. We're just past the halfway point, which is great. So, get a chance, go see my brothers, share some love with them, prescribe, leave some comments and stuff. And if you guys are making your own Halloween projects, man, we want to see what you're building. Come on over to Cobwebs and Candlesticks on Facebook. I'll leave the link below as always. You guys can join the Haunt fam, and we do giveaways and share all our artwork and stuff there. It's an open platform to sell, to make, to share pictures, to get answers for stuff. So hopefully I will see you guys there. And until I see you guys again, man, keep it evil. Look at this mess. Keep it evil. Woo, Miss Gladys, you looking fine, girl.